Okay, y'all, so please excuse the look of the day. I'm not here for that. I'm here because I'm so excited. I received my package from Glam and Glitz with the whole ColourPop collection and also a few additional products as well. So I'm going to be doing a review slash just some swatches so you guys can see. And if you're interested in getting anything from Glam and Glitz, or like buying one of their collections, then this will be a great opportunity to see some of their colors and to see how their product is and all that good stuff. I've been waiting for it so impatiently because I got the 1-day shipping, but I'm just so excited to finally get it. So I hope you guys like the video and just stay tuned. Bye. Hey y'all, so guess what came today? My Glam and Glitz acrylic powders. It says Kiara Sky, but I ordered it straight from the company. So let's get into this. I literally just got it like 20 minutes ago. And as you can see, I use Next Day Air. So let me just make sure that everything personal isn't really out there. I chose to use the personal website. I know that you can find Glam and Glitz products on like brush nail supply and stuff like that. But yeah. Okay, so getting into this box. Do you see how neat they packaged this? It's very neat, y'all, and I'm so pleased with that. It's not all over the place because I have ordered Glam and Glitz from other suppliers before, and it wouldn't be packaged as great. It wouldn't come in boxes or nothing. It'd just be powdery filling and everything. So this is the back to the base. It's clear, nice size. Let's see. Okay, so it doesn't come like with a film over it, but that's fine. I'm glad anything didn't spill out. This is one of the glitter acrylics. This is the Crystalina. I'm gonna do some swatches later too because I'm just so excited. Can you guys see that shimmer? Can you see? It's real cute. I like that. Okay, it's so many of these, y'all. I'm just gonna open like one, and then later on I will do a video of swatches. And they came upside down, so look out for that. I don't know why they came upside down. So it's all ColourPop. This is pretty. Bikini bottom. Coconut. Coconut kind of look like Crystalina, only it looks more glittery. Oh, I like this already. This nude right here. Is this shimmery? This nude is shimmery too. Heat Wave. Sandcastle. This shimmer too. Tulip. It's a little dusty. Sandals. So yeah, we're gonna get into some swatches later, but I just wanted to show you guys how the packaging comes when you order from Glam and Glitz directly, the glamandglitz.com, and not just from another supplier, because I know you guys said that you've ordered from other suppliers and you didn't like the way your packaging was. Well, this packaging comes very secure, you guys, so that's awesome. What's in here? Just two. So we can look at these too. So when you don't have like a full thing, which I only had one that wasn't a full thing, because I ordered extra stuff like these, the Fantasy acrylics, they will put the little popcorns in there. This is so freaking cute. I think this is Lotus. It is. Okay, Lotus. Cute. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Y'all, we gonna get into some swatches later, but yeah. Excuse me, I'm just so excited, but I'm gonna come back later to do this for y'all. Okay, see y'all later.